So today we are here to design an inverting amplifier using op-amp, which is an experiment of electronic engineering designing lab. So this is the circuit which we need to design. As you can see, we need these components: one op-amp IC, three resistances of 10 kilo ohms, two DC power supplies, one for positive and another one is for negative supply of op-amp, CRO, function generator and virtual ground. So let's start by the designing of circuit. We will open a new design, default. Now we need to import all these components and then we will arrange all of these as our circuit diagram. op-amp IC, you can see this just below the arrow sign there is a symbol of IC. Click on that. P search here 741. You will get the 741 IC. Okay, you will get in your list listening. Then we need to add resistance. So again click on this. Resistors, here it is. We need 0.6 watt metal film, and around 10k. We can change the value later on also. So it is added. After that we need to add DC power supplies that we will find on this. These are the DC supplies. This is the symbol of supplies where we can add this DC supply. One is this, second one is this. Then we need CRO that will be in this oscilloscope. Here it is. Then we need function generator. So for function generator, here it is, signal generator. Take the signal generator. Then virtual ground that we will find in this. So we got all the objects. Here is the resistance, first one, second one, third one, and here is the IC 741. Now design it as per our requirement. What was that circuit? Let's save it once. So it will be name temp. This is circuit which we need to design. Inverting terminal, we need to give input with the resistance R1, and the non-inverting is grounded directly. So we do the same with our temporary circuit. Here the non-inverting terminal is at upper side, so we can rotate it with Y mirror. Now let's put it with the ground. Or we can do one more thing, make it near to it. Ground it. 4 is for negative supply, 7 is for positive supply. So we have, this is the supply and this is the fourth one terminal connected. This is the another one supply. 7th is connected with this. This will be positive. This is negative 15. Done. Put one resistance to this place. Another resistance is for feedback. This resistance is for loading purpose. Rotate it with 180 degree. Sorry, 90 degree. Another terminal is grounded. Output is given to B terminal of CRO. This is function generator. This should be grounded. So this feedback is also need to get connected. This is, we are done with the circuit diagram. What else we need to do? We just need, we can close this one or we can hide it. Play one set. We are using B channel only, so off other channels. A channel will also be used, we can put it also off. So we are getting, this is the B channel of CRO and this is the input signal which we are applying. So we had applied a sinusoidal signal as an input of 1 volts and 10 kilohertz frequency. Increase some voltage too. It's increased now. So we are getting our sinusoidal. What we need to do, we are trying to perform the inverting amplifier. So we need to study both input and output simultaneously. So connect this A channel. First we need to stop it. So we stopped our circuit. Connect A channel with input as well, and then again turn it. Turn on the A channel also. So we get A signal to shift it at the same level. Here we can see that the yellow one is channel A, blue one is channel B. Yellow is for input signal and blue is for output signal. The output signal is 180 degree phase shifted, or you can say inverted. So this is the result which we want to observe. Thank you very much.